Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You need admin rights and a current backup. Plug in your external drive or verify Cloud Sync before anything else. Once ready, open File Explorer and enable hidden items, then check the recycle bin. Obvious deletes are often recoverable. Make sure to launch Command Prompt as administrator next. You will run chkdsk to check disk integrity, then sfc to scan system files, and dism to repair the component store. We start repairs now. First, run chkdsk with the /f flag on the drive containing missing files. If it's in use, schedule it and reboot to let it repair bad sectors. Once done, run sfc/scano to repair corrupted system files, and then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to fix the component store so sfc can succeed. After those complete and you've rebooted, use File History or the Previous Versions tab. Verify every recovered file and copy them to a secure location. Then rebuild search indexes and recreate shortcuts so everything is accessible. If you still can't find files, run a reputable read-only recovery tool to avoid overwriting data, or restore from a full image backup if available. If issues continue, open Event Viewer to check error logs and inspect the disk's smart values. Make sure to consider drive replacement when Smart shows failure, because hardware faults often cause recurring data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.